Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning all.
Morning, Miss.
In today's meeting, we will study logarithms. We will learn the basic concept, what logarithms are, and the properties of logarithms that are important for you to learn. Before we get into the material, I will provide a video explaining the benefit and reason why we should study logarithms. Okay, next to the video. What is the use of logarithms? The answer is very much. First, we have to understand that logarithms are looking for power values, such as 3 log 9 equals 2, because 3 to the power of 2 is 9. The most well-known benefit of logarithms is population growth. N log A divided by B. A divided by B, that we divide the population of 324 million people by our current population of around 278.69 million people, and the result is 1.16. M1 plus percentage growth year is 0.71%, and we get 1.0071. Remember the concept of logarithms. We are looking for the power value 1.0071, whose power equals 1.16. And the answer is 2 to the power of 22. Try calculating 22 years from now. Yes, 2045. Okay, part 2. I think logarithms have the greatest benefit in our life. Here's the proof. When compared to our country, Indonesia is one of the countries that has successfully implemented a family planning program with the slogan "To children all better." Imagine if at that time medical experts did not find breakthrough in our country. There could be a significant increase in population. The effect can go everywhere, let alone education. Food like this has become commonplace. What does this have to do with logarithms? This science can predict population growth not only for 2 to 3 years, but even for 10 to hundreds of years. There are even rumors that there will be a demographic disaster in 2045 because the population will reach 324 million people. And we have proven it with the science of logarithms, and it turned out that the numbers are true. We answer the basic concept of logarithms. Logarithms are the inverse of reciprocal of exponent. The meaning is like this. 5 to the power of 2 equals 25 because 5 times 5 equals 25. We change it to logarithmic form to become 5 log 25 equals 2. Pay attention to the arrows. 5 to the power of 2 equals 25. Let's try a few more example. 4 to the power of 3 equals 64. 4 times 4 is 16. Times 4 equals 64. The logarithmic property is 4 log 64 equals 3. Look again at the arrow. To make it clear, study the following definition. Suppose we have a power b equals c. If a to the power of b equals c, we write in logarithmic form, namely a log c equals b. A is called the base or cardinal number, c is called the numerus, and b is the result of the logarithm. Keep in mind that the base number of a power is the base number of a logarithm. Then c is the power result. The result of the power uses a numerus in the logarithm. And b is the exponent or power. The exponent is written as the result of the logarithm. There are conditions for this basis and numerus. Not just any number can be used as a basis. Firstly, base must be greater than 0. This means it cannot be negative, and the value must be positive. Then the second base cannot be 1. Then the numerus condition. The numerus requirement must be positive. C must be greater than 0. Next, we discuss the properties of logarithms. For these properties of logarithms, we start from the basis. A log A equals 1. It is necessary to pay attention again to the basic concept of logarithms. We are looking for the power value. The meaning of this rhyme, not the row. A to the power of 1 equals A. So, whatever number is raised to the power of 1, the answer is still the number itself. Example, 4 to the power of 1 equals 4. We can put it into logarithmic form to be 4 log 4 equals 1. Next, a log 1 equals 0. For this property, all numbers to the power of 0 are 1. Next, a log x plus a log y equals a log x times y. See, this is very complete, but if we already understand the basic concept of logarithms, this is quite easy to prove. For example, there is a problem like this. 2 log x plus 2 log 4. We can make 2 log x times 4. Following the logarithms properties above, the result is definitely the same. Let's prove it. 2 log 8. 2 to what power is 8? 3, because 2 to the third power is 8. Okay, that's right. Then 2 log 4. 2 to what power is the explanation of 4? 2 times 2 equals 4 means 2. Okay. Then we try the one on the right side of 2 log x times 4. We multiply x and 4. The result of x times 4 is 32. Now, let's find 2 log 32, or what exponent result in 32. The result is 5. This means it proven that the properties is true. Next, a log x minus a log y equals x divided by y. This is the same as the previous trait. If we add, then we multiply x and y. If subtraction, then we divide x and y. Next, a log x to the power of n equals n times a log x. You can see this is an example of the properties above. 2 log 4 to the power of 3 equals 3 times 2 log 4. 2 log 64 equals 3 times 2, because 2 log 4 is 2. These properties are proven to be the same. In the last characteristic, if we prove the value will be the same as the previous properties, so I immediately give an example. Okay, the first is 25 equals 5 to the power of 2. We can change 5 to the power of 2 log 5 to the power of 2x equals 8. Next, we use the logarithmic property. 2x divided by 2. 5 log 5. We can cross out 2. 5 log 5 is 1, so x equals 8. Next, I will give one final example question so that today's material can be understood further. 5 log 4 equals n. Calculate the value of 25 log 20. Okay, we see 25 log 20. 25 equals 5 to the power of 2. So, we can write 5 to the power of 2 log 20. 1/2 times 5 log 20. Up to this point, we have used the multiplication property. 20 equals 5 times 4. Remember the nature of logarithms. If we power here becomes a fraction. 1/2 times 5 log 5 times 4. We can change multiplication to addition. 1/2 5 log 5 plus 5 log 4. 5 log 5 equals 1. 5 log 4 is now in the problem namely m. So 25 log 20 equals 1 plus m divided by 2. Finish. Any question?
Understand, Miss?
Okay. Well, if no one asks, we close our logarithms meeting today. And here is the homework for the next meeting. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.